and welcome back to another vlog. We are about to go ahead and I'm walking down the stairs just making sure I'm getting every step, but we are about to go ahead and get ready to go out to a few stores. I just completed my makeup. My makeup looks so good, you guys. Like, I'm so glad, like, it turned out so nicely and everything like that. But today, baby Pharaoh, my mom and I, we're gonna go ahead and head out to a few stores. We're gonna check out Carter's and Target, and also we're gonna go ahead and we are preparing for baby Pharaoh's first birthday coming up next month on the 25th. So I'm super excited for his very first birthday and everything like that. So we're definitely in early planning mode. My mom already purchased his outfit for his party, and then we're gonna go ahead and get his invitations sent out by this week coming up. And then we're gonna go and check out Party City, and we're gonna go check out Pottery Barn and Hobby Lobby for a few decorations for his birthday and everything like that. So super excited. We're gonna also go to Barnes & Noble. Baby Pharaoh turned 11 months. I cannot believe he turned 11 months yesterday. I cannot believe that I just had Pharaoh almost a year ago and almost one more month. I cannot believe. So we're gonna go ahead and treat him out. If you guys been following my blog, you guys know that every 25th of the month, baby Pharaoh gets toys, clothes, and books and puzzles and everything like that every time he turns a brand new month old. So I'm super excited. I wonder what he's gonna pick out today. And yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and finish up a video that I'm going to upload here on my channel for you guys. We'll upload that tomorrow, so definitely make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel. That way you guys can get all of the notifications. Make sure you guys have that bell notification checked on, so that way you guys know whenever I upload vlogs and mommy related videos, beauty and makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, fashion tutorials, you guys name it, you guys will be the first to receive those bell notifications on your iPhone, your Android, whatever, your computer, however you guys receive notifications from YouTube for my channel. You guys have to make sure that you subscribe and also make sure that you have the notifications turned on. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get ready. So we're so glad for you guys to join us for this adventure on today's vlog. So I'm making sure I get everything packed up and ready to go, like, in the car, because I don't want to leave like anything else. So I got Pharaoh's little grippies that he likes to play with and everything like that. So I'm just currently, I'm about to go ahead and get Pharaoh. I think the mail truck is here. Let me see. Is the mail truck here? Yeah, the mail truck is here. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the mail and then go ahead and get Pharaoh ready. My mom is already in her car warming it up. And yeah, so I'm super excited for today's vlog, you guys. I am super excited that we're gonna go and get some stuff for Pharaoh's first birthday party. I cannot wait to send out all the invitations for like family and friends. And you guys, I'm super excited for him. I cannot believe he's gonna be a year old, you guys. A year old, you guys. I cannot believe it. So before we go ahead and leave, I wanted to show you guys what I got from Target last night. The Moby baby wrap carrier. I had, which brand was it? When I know Pharaoh was like a few weeks, I had one brand of the baby carrier and I did not like that. I think it was, I don't even remember. I ain't gonna try to think about it. But then we had also the other Moby one, and I think it was a different one, but that was like kind of more for like a newborn type feel. And I'm gonna see how this one go, because I just love the baby wraps. And I did order the Ergo baby one and also the baby Catan baby wrap carriers, but I might just cancel the Ergo baby because I like the baby Catan wrap better. But I might just go ahead and keep the Ergo baby one because it's more of like the ones with the strap. And I feel like that would be more beneficial for us for the summertime when we go out to like trips and stuff like that. Instead of like the wrap where I feel like it's more for like the fall and winter, and then I could keep it when we have another little one. Hopefully not anytime soon, but I ain't gonna say anything. But yeah, so I just want to show you guys that I picked up this wrap last night from Target, and we're gonna see how it goes, you guys.
You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah.
We're in Target, and Pharaoh picked this out. Can you say hi? Pharaoh. Pharaoh. He picked out Daniel Tiger, so we're about to go ahead and out from the store. I don't know where my mom went. I have to go ahead and find her. Let me see where she is. So this is so cool, you guys. This is so cool. It's a Magic Touch piano. I might get that Pharaoh for his birthday. And they have the drums and I don't know, it's like a guitar, like a guitar. But yeah, that's like really cool.
Playing all my melodies, there's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart. Take me to your soul. Never drawn apart. 'Cause I belong.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the vlog. So I am on my way home to go ahead and pick up my mom and Pharaoh to a few stores today because we are in planning mode for baby Pharaoh's first birthday coming out in a few weeks. His birthday is February 25th. So we're gonna go to a few stores to pick up some party supplies and decorations and stuff like that. And that is about it for the vlog. So to all my new followers, hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Paris, and yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting, you know, Pharaoh and I really truly appreciate it. And if you guys have not yet already, why don't you guys, you know, share, you know, with your friends and family of our channel. You know, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Tell them to subscribe. We love all the support from you guys. And I'm super excited to show you guys all brand new content and videos that I have for you guys to upload here on the channel. A few home decorating videos coming up, and baby get ready with me's, and more of my natural hair updates. So almost on my way home to get my baby and my mom, so we go ahead and head out. But welcome to the vlog, guys.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I always The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart. Take me to your soul. Never drawn apart. 'Cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star. 'Cause I need your loving, baby.